Okay, guys and girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 66 Mustang. First, I'm going to say they added power steering, which is a big deal because most people know these cars did not have, the early Fords didn't have power steering. It was not as common, so it's a big deal that it's been added. It's costly. It's been done right. It's nice. New tires. This thing was lady driven for roughly 8 years. Anyways, guy owned it roughly, I think it was 8-9 years or something, he said. Anyways, it's got a real nice motor in it, little cam, very drivable. All the gauges work, the speedometer works, the wipers work. Just a good daily driver. The paint is weak, the paint is old. The car is straight. So, as I always say, I'd rather see a straight car with a weak paint job than a brand new paint job on a wavy car. There is a bubble here and there. I'm going to try to show them. The floors are actually, there's a little ding in the roof there. There's a couple bubbles on the roof. There's bubbles here and there scattered throughout, but it appears very well from 4 feet away. It looks great. It drives good. It runs good. Like I said, all the gauges work. Nice dash pad, nice door panels, nice seats. You know, just a nice little driver. It does have an oversized gas tank in it, which is interesting because it's stock, but they sell a replacement larger gas tank. Kind of cool. The floor pans and stuff are in good shape underneath. There is a couple spots way up front that I might try to jack it up and see it, but the super crucial areas are good. Like I said, a real nice driver, quality car with power steering. It's got a nice little cam in it. Anyways, like I said, there's little flaws in the paint that from 4 or 5 feet away you cannot see. But just a great start to a car that if you want to take the time later on to do some upgrades or add some stuff, you would be great. You know, but a good investment. And if you wanted to drive it for a couple years and then paint it later, great. But just really a nice looking car. A nice little true daily driver. Like I said, all the gauges work, including the gas gauge. Like I said, I forget if he's a 32 or 34 gallon tank or something. It's funny because I noticed it was thicker than normal. But there you go, 66, nice car.